The Hero Flyer Manned Drone 03 is a full-size electric multi-rotor aircraft designed mainly for entertainment and marketing shows. What makes it special is its clever modular design. Each motor, battery, and controller works independently as its own power unit. So, if one part fails, the others keep running, making sure the drone stays safe and stable in the air. Even cooler, it has two completely separate flight stabilization systems that don't depend on GPS, barometers, or radio signals. This means it won't be affected by outside interference, keeping control steady no matter what. Safety is a big focus. The pilot gets vibration signals inside their helmet that let them know how both the main and backup systems are doing, without needing to look at any instruments. This helps the pilot stay fully aware and keeps the flight smooth and secure from takeoff to landing. In short, the Hero Flyer Manned Drone 03 is a smart, safe, and reliable flying machine made for eye-catching performances and shows, combining advanced technology with pilot-friendly features. The EHang 184 is an exciting breakthrough from Chinese company EHang. It's the world's first fully electric, self-flying passenger drone. First introduced in 2016 at the Consumer Electronics Show, this drone aims to change how we travel by offering simple, pilot-free flights to preset destinations. Equipped with 8 electric-powered propellers, the EHang 184 can carry one passenger weighing up to 100 kilograms. It flies for about 23 minutes at speeds around 100 kilometers per hour. The best part? You don't need any flying experience or a pilot's license. Just use a smartphone app to choose where you want to go, and the drone takes care of the rest. The EHang 184 offers a glimpse of the future, where flying cars aren't just fantasy, but real everyday transportation. Imagine skipping traffic jams by taking to the skies in your own personal air taxi. This drone marks a huge step toward making flying taxis a part of daily life, opening the door to faster, safer, and more exciting ways to get around cities and beyond. Xpeng X2, the flying car of tomorrow. Imagine leaving traffic behind and flying above it on your daily commute. Meet the Xpeng X2, a fully electric flying car that turns sci-fi into reality. Developed by Xpeng Aeronaut, this sleek two-seater aircraft is built for low-altitude travel in cities. With its carbon fiber body and futuristic bubble canopy, the X2 looks like something straight out of a movie, but it's already been tested flying over cities like Dubai. This electric vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL vehicle, can reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour, and it operates quietly with zero carbon emissions, making it an eco-friendly game-changer. The Xpeng X2 can be piloted manually or autonomously and offers around 35 minutes of flight time on a full charge. More than just an air taxi, it represents a peek into the future of smart vertical transportation. In this future, roads aren't the only option, and the sky might just be the new highway. Zapata Flyboard Air. Frankie Zapata, a former jet ski champion and inventor from France, turned the dream of personal flight into reality with his amazing creation, the Flyboard Air. Built by his company, Zapata Racing, this jet-powered hoverboard lets you fly like never before. Powered by gas turbines, the Flyboard Air can climb as high as 3,000 meters, 9,800 feet, and reach speeds of up to 150 kilometers per hour, 93 miles per hour. It can fly for about 10 minutes and carry a weight of up to 102 kilograms, 225 pounds. This futuristic flying machine isn't just fast and powerful, it's also designed to be safe, lightweight, easy to control, and super maneuverable. Many call it the most advanced personal flying device ever made, bringing us one step closer to real-life jetpacks. Kitty Hawk Heaviside. The Heaviside is Kitty Hawk's third aircraft, following the Flyer, a fun single-seater, and the Cora, an autonomous two-passenger air taxi for city travel. Named after physicist and electrical engineer Oliver Heaviside, this small electric aircraft, ETL, is designed for quick takeoffs and landings almost anywhere. Its biggest advantage? It's incredibly quiet, making it ideal for use in cities and busy neighborhoods. Kitty Hawk claims the Heaviside is about 100 times quieter than a traditional helicopter. Once it's flying, it blends into the background sounds of the city or suburbs, barely noticeable to people on the ground. This sleek, quiet design could make personal air travel more practical and less disruptive, bringing us closer to a future where flying vehicles are part of everyday life. Jetman. Dubai's Jetwing is an amazing personal flying machine that's turning the dream of soaring through the sky like Iron Man into reality. Before now, Jetman pilots could only take off from planes or high platforms, but they've just hit a game-changing milestone. This powerful carbon fiber wing runs on 4 turbines, allowing it to fly 31 miles in just 15 minutes. It can reach speeds over 250 miles per hour and climb higher than 20,000 feet. It's also equipped with cameras, including a 360-degree one, capturing stunning aerial views. What makes their latest achievement so special? For the first time ever, the Jetman launched straight from the ground, without any aircraft or platform. In an incredible 30 seconds, it soared over 3,000 feet into the air, something no other jetpack has done before. This breakthrough proves we're getting closer to a future where flying like a superhero isn't just a fantasy. It's possible. Bell Nexus. The Bell Nexus is a hybrid electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, revealed at CES 2019. It has 6 large fans, 3 on each side of the aircraft, that allow it to fly both vertically and forward. The fans can tilt, which helps it transition from vertical takeoff to smooth forward flight. There are 2 versions of the Nexus, one for a pilot and a passenger, and another for 6 passengers. The current version fits a pilot and 4 passengers. With a top speed of 155 knots, 288 kilometers per hour, and a range of 130 nautical miles, 241 kilometers, the Nexus offers impressive performance. It's lightweight, weighing just 6,000 pounds, and fits into a 40-foot by 40-foot space. The Bell Nexus is designed to change the future of travel, offering a faster, more efficient way to get around urban areas. It's a game changer for urban air mobility, bringing us closer to a new way of flying in the city. Space tourism. The RSS first step is Blue Origin's reusable space capsule, created to take people on trips to space. It's the 3rd New Shepard capsule to fly, the very first one designed for passengers. Its debut mission, called NS-14, launched on January 14, 2021, reaching a height of 107 kilometers, 66 miles above Earth. This milestone brings us one step closer to space tourism becoming a reality. Thanks to the RSS first step, it's no longer just astronauts who can experience space. Soon, everyday people may get the chance to float in zero gravity and admire Earth from above. Blue Origin's vision is to make space more accessible and inspire a new generation of space travelers. With this breakthrough, the dream of flying beyond our planet is moving from science fiction to something we could actually experience in our lifetime. VW Group China VMO eVTOL, the future of flying. Volkswagen Group China has introduced the VMO, a futuristic flying car that could change the way we travel. This all-electric air taxi is built using the company's current battery and self-driving technology, aiming to make air travel easy, clean, and pilot-free. The VMO looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. It has a sleek X-wing shape, measuring 11.2 meters long, with a 10.6-meter wingspan. It uses 8 rotors to lift off vertically, and 2 propellers to fly forward. Perfect for smooth city-to-city travel. Volkswagen plans to run several test flights this year, with a better version ready to fly by late summer 2023. In the future, the VMO could carry up to 4 passengers and their luggage over distances of up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. With its blend of style, technology, and green energy, the VMO is bringing us closer to a world where flying cars are real and ready to ride. Sky Cruise, the flying hotel of the future. Picture a massive luxury hotel flying high above the clouds. That's the Sky Cruise, a futuristic concept powered entirely by nuclear energy, designed to carry over 5,000 guests in total comfort. Its sleek design blends elements of a commercial jet with the luxury of a cruise ship. On board, you'll find everything from 360-degree observation decks to shopping malls, swimming pools, sports centers, restaurants, bars, theaters, and even play areas for kids. 2 glass elevators connect the levels, offering breathtaking views of the sky as you travel between decks. What makes it truly unique is its power system. 20 electric engines run on clean, nuclear energy, allowing the sky crews to stay airborne for extended periods without burning any fossil fuels. According to creator Hashem Al-Ghaili, the Sky Cruise leaves zero carbon footprint, offering a greener way to travel in luxury. This flying hotel reimagines the future of tourism, combining comfort, entertainment, and sustainability, all while floating above the Earth. The Martin Jetpack by Martin Aircraft Company is an exciting personal flying device that lets people experience the thrill of flight. This compact, single-person jetpack uses a gasoline engine to reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour and can fly as high as 3,000 feet. It offers a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a full tank, depending on factors like weight and weather conditions. Weighing about 113 kilograms, the jetpack is powered by a 200-horsepower engine and has a simple control system with handlebars to help with stability. While the jetpack is mainly designed for fun and recreational use, it is also being explored for practical applications, such as emergency rescues, search operations, and transporting people or supplies to hard-to-reach areas. Although it's still in the testing phase for commercial use, the Martin Jetpack represents a significant leap forward in personal aviation, bringing us closer to a future where flying can be as accessible as driving. Kelekona reveals 40-passenger flying taxi concept. The future of flying taxis is here, and most companies are focused on small electric aircraft that carry just 2 to 5 people. Even the bigger ones, like Lilium's Air Minibus, only fit 7. But Kelekona, a startup from New York City, is going much bigger. They've unveiled a flying Aerobus concept that can carry 40 passengers or up to 10,000 pounds, 4,536 kilograms of cargo. That's a huge step up from anything we've seen so far in the eVTOL world. The aircraft uses a unique blended wing or lifting body design to make it more efficient and stable in the air. And it's not just about size. Kelekona says their Aerobus could travel from San Francisco to Los Angeles, about 330 miles, 531 kilometers, in just 1 hour. If this becomes reality, it could completely change how we think about short-distance travel, making flying as easy as hopping on a bus. Kelekona's big idea could be the future of fast, clean, and large-scale air transport. Fixar launches long-range autonomous drone, Fixar 025. European drone company Fixar has introduced its newest innovation, the Fixar 025, a fully electric, autonomous drone designed for large-scale industrial and commercial use. This next-gen drone can carry up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, and cover distances of up to 300 kilometers, 186 miles, on a single battery charge. Powered by Fixar's own smart autopilot system, it flies entirely on its own, offering a reliable and efficient solution for tough missions. What really sets the Fixar 025 apart is its flexibility. It can be quickly equipped with a variety of professional tools and sensors, making it ideal for everything from mapping and aerial photography to remote sensing, surveillance, live monitoring, and even package delivery. Node Air and JetX join forces to create a next-gen aircraft. 2 U.S. startups, Node Air and JetX, are teaming up to build an innovative aircraft designed for flexibility and efficiency. They're combining Node Air's modular transportation system with JetX's cutting-edge vector thrust propulsion to create a new kind of plane that can adapt to different needs. Modular aircraft are like high-tech building blocks. You can swap out parts to change the seating, add more cargo space, or even alter the shape of the plane depending on the mission. This means one aircraft can handle many different tasks instead of needing separate planes for each job. Node Air's modular technology has already been successful in ground vehicles and boats. Now they're bringing that smart design to aviation. This partnership aims to make flying more adaptable and affordable by reducing the costs of maintaining multiple specialized aircraft. The FD-1, short for Formula Drone 1, is a futuristic hybrid flying vehicle designed to take off and land vertically, known as VTOL. It has 6 electric motors arranged in a triangle, each with duct fans, powered by a gasoline engine at the front, and supported by 3 battery packs. What makes the FD-1 special is its ability to fly using power from the gas engine, the batteries, or both together. This hybrid setup gives it great flexibility and efficiency during flight. The design also has a cool retro vibe, with exhaust pipes that angle backward, adding a classic touch to this modern aircraft. The FD-1 can reach impressive speeds of up to 311 miles per hour, 500 kilometers per hour, and can stay airborne for about 3 hours on a single flight. This mix of speed, power, and smart hybrid technology makes the FD-1 a peek into the future of flying vehicles, combining the best of electric and gas power for fast, efficient, and versatile air travel. Cosmos 482 is one of the strangest space missions from the Soviet era. Launched in 1972, it was supposed to land on Venus, but a rocket failure left it stuck in Earth's orbit, while its twin mission, Venera 8, made it to Venus as planned. Since then, Cosmos 482 has been circling Earth in a wide elliptical orbit. Strangely enough, a piece of the spacecraft broke off shortly after launch and crashed in New Zealand. But the most durable part, the descent module, designed to survive Venus's extreme heat and pressure, is still up there today. Experts say this tough module could eventually fall back to Earth within the next few decades. And because it was built to handle Venus's harsh conditions, it might actually survive re-entry. Cosmos 482 is like a forgotten relic of the Cold War space race, silently orbiting above us, possibly waiting to make a dramatic return after more than 50 years in space. The Kia Atmos is an innovative solar-powered drone developed by Kia Aerospace in New Zealand. It's designed to fly extremely high, between 50,000 and 65,000 feet, well above commercial airplanes and weather disturbances. Despite having a large wingspan of 12.5 meters, the drone weighs less than 40 kilograms, making it lightweight and efficient. What makes Kia Atmos really special is its ability to stay in the air for a very long time, with future versions aiming for continuous flights lasting several months. This drone is perfect for capturing high-resolution aerial images to monitor the environment, support disaster relief efforts, track maritime activity, and enhance communication networks. Because it flies so high and can stay up for long periods, Kia Atmos offers a cost-effective alternative to satellites and traditional aircraft. By combining solar power with advanced drone technology, Kia Atmos opens up exciting new possibilities for gathering vital information from the sky, helping us better understand and protect our planet, all while keeping costs low and operations sustainable. The Speeder is way more than just a motorcycle with wings. It's a jet-powered wonder built with top-notch aerospace technology. It uses 4 small turbojet engines that let it take off and land vertically, VTOL, so you can lift off from almost anywhere. Made from super light carbon fiber and strong titanium, the Speeder can climb up to 15,000 feet and zoom at speeds up to 150 miles per hour. It's designed to be easy to fly, with a joystick-controlled fly-by-wire system that makes handling smooth and precise. Depending on the load, it can carry up to 250 pounds, and conditions, the Speeder can stay in the air for 10 to 20 minutes. It runs on either JA1 kerosene or diesel fuel, packing powerful thrust in a sleek, stylish package. With its mix of raw speed, advanced tech, and bold design, the Speeder offers a thrilling flying experience that's like nothing else out there. It's the future of personal flight, combining speed, power, and agility, all in one incredible machine.